Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we will learn about the leprosy disease. What is leprosy? Leprosy is an infectious disease that causes severe disfiguring, skin sores and nerve damage in the arm, leg and the skin area around your body. Leprosy is also known as Hansen's disease. Causes of leprosy. Leprosy is a disease mainly caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium leprae, which causes damage in the skin and peripheral nervous system of our body. How leprosy transmitted person to person? When a person with the leprosy disease coughs or sneezes, that may spread droplets containing the Mycobacterium leprae bacteria that another person breathes in. Close physical contact with an infected person is necessary to transmit the leprosy disease. But it isn't spread by casual contact with an infected person, like by the shaking hands, hugging or sitting next to them on a bus or at a table during a meal. Pregnant mother with the leprosy can't pass it to their unborn babies. Types of leprosy. There are 3 types of leprosy disease. First is tuberculoid. It is a mild, less severe form of leprosy disease. People with this type have only one or a few patches of flat, pale colored skin. The affected area of skin may feel numb because of the nerve damage underneath. Tuberculoid leprosy is less contagious than the other form of leprosy. The second type of leprosy is lepromatous. It is a more severe form of the disease. It brings widespread skin bumps and rashes, numbness and muscle weakness. The nose, kidneys and more reproductive organs may be affected. It is more contagious than the tuberculoid disease. The third and the last type of leprosy is borderline. People with this type of leprosy have symptoms of both previous tuberculoid and the lepromatous form of disease. Symptoms of leprosy. The main symptoms of leprosy include the muscle weakness, numbness in the hand, arm, feet and leg of your body and skin lesions. Skin lesions result in decreased sensation to the touch, temperature or pain. They don't heal even after several weeks. They are lighter than your normal skin tone or they may be reddened from the inflammation. Leprosy diagnosis. How we diagnose the leprosy disease in the person? It includes the physical examination. The second is skin biopsy test, which is done to check the skin infection and the skin disorder, and leproming skin test. For this test, the doctor will inject a small amount of inactive leprosy causing bacteria just underneath the skin of your forearm to see which type of leprosy you have. Leprosy treatment. Leprosy treatment include the antibiotics. Antibiotics are used to treat the infection. Doctor recommend long-term treatment usually for the 6 months to a year. If you have severe leprosy, you may need to take antibiotics longer. The second treatment include the multi-drug therapy. it is a common treatment for leprosy. That means you all take 2 or more medicine after the antibiotics. The other treatment includes anti-inflammatory drug to control the nerve pain and the damage related to the leprosy. This could include the steroids, for example prednisolone. Doctors sometimes treat the leprosy with thalidomide. It is a potent medication that suppresses your immune system and it helps to treat the leprosy skin nodules. Leprosy complications. The complications of the leprosy can include the blindness, hair loss, infertility, kidney failure, muscle weakness, permanent damage to the inside of your nose which can lead to nosebleeds, and permanent damage to the nerve outside your brain and the spinal cord, including those in the arms, leg and feet of your body. Thank you everyone.